For science, Home Depot gave me this drill chuck. That's a sharpener. So Dogman pencils are going down. We're gonna time them. You ready? Set. Nice. 12 seconds. That's with the M12. Brand new batteries in all these. The Dogman wrapping all over the place. Couldn't have picked worse pencils. But my kids will suffer for this. And I approve. Now the M12 Impact on number 3. Pink Dogman pencil. Yo! Amazing. My children are all yelling at each other. There's crying, but science is important. M18 drill. This is extremely scientific. The Dogman pencil failed at the eraser. So, I will say, I don't care because the impacts seem to be much faster. So let's give the M18 Impact a rip. On number 3. The last pink Dogman pencil. If you ever need a stubby pencil in a hurry, Milwaukee, baby.